In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro SEC filings. If you want a faster way to stay on top of official company disclosures, earnings reports, insider trades, and registration statements, this quick workflow will help you surface those items right inside your Benzinga Pro workspace. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can repeat it anytime and get consistent results. First, go to Newsfeed. This is the live stream of market-moving information in Benzinga Pro, and it's the best place to monitor real-time updates as they come in. Make sure you're looking at the main feed view, where headlines and timestamps appear in a scrolling list. By default, the feed can include a mix of press releases, analysis, market commentary, and more. We're about to narrow that down to only what comes directly from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Next, click Sources. You'll find the sources control at the top of the news feed, alongside other filters. Think of sources as your way to tell the feed exactly which pipelines of information you want to see. When you open it, you'll notice several options that power the stream behind the scenes. This is where you take broad market noise and turn it into a targeted signal. Now, select SEC. Choosing SEC limits the newsfeed to filings and disclosures submitted to the Commission, such as 8Ks for material events, 10Qs and 10Ks for quarterly and annual reports, S1s for public offerings, and ownership updates like 13D, 13G, and Form 4 filings. The feed will refresh to show only items from that source. You'll see headlines tagged with tickers, timestamps indicating when the filing hit the wire, and short descriptions that help you assess relevance at a glance. This filter is powerful because it cuts straight to primary documents that companies and insiders are required to file. For traders, an unexpected 8K can flag a catalyst. For long-term investors, 10Qs and 10Ks highlight fundamentals, risk factors, and management discussion. And for anyone watching ownership trends, Form 4 or 13D, 13G activity can signal notable moves. As you monitor the SEC-only feed, focus on the headline and the form type first, then note the ticker and time. That quick scan helps you triage what deserves immediate attention. If a filing pertains to a position on your radar, you'll be ready to dig deeper on your own workflow. That's all there is to it. Go to Newsfeed, click Sources, and select SEC. With this simple setup, you'll consistently spotlight the filings that matter right when they're released. This walkthrough is for educational purposes only. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, smarter CC stream inside Benzinga Pro. Inside.